Well, you may remember I planted, just kind of as a lark, I don't know, kind of experiment, I planted a bunch of carrots in with peppers. These are Cajun bell peppers. Got a little spice to them, not hot, but not cool either. And I just filled that up, these two peppers, well, several of the peppers, with carrots. I don't know why I did it, just did it. Don't ask why, just respect the fact that I did it. So I am pulling those carrots up today, and as you can see, you can't even hardly see the pepper plant. These are carrots. This is pepper. So they are plenteous down in there, as you can see. And I've already pulled some I'm going to show you that I'm real proud of. And then those are, that ain't bad. That's 5 inches long. Got a little crooked, but that's okay. But I have got a monster I'm fixing to show you in a minute. Let me get through pulling these. Kind of hard to do with one hand on you and one hand on the carrots. So let me just do that, and then I'll get back with you on this. Carrots planted in with pepper plants. They've gotten so big they're kind of smothering the pepper plant. And I want the peppers to grow bigger, and that's why I pulled them out. These two pepper plants are mammoth jalapenos, giant jalapenos, and I pulled most of the carrots out of those 2 or 3 weeks ago, maybe a month ago, and these pepper plants are up 4 feet tall, and these are still 2 feet tall. So I have a feeling I've stunted them somewhat with the carrots. So we're pulling them out. Let me show you what I get when I get done. Still got quite a few to pick. Pull, not pick, pull.